I'm in a video making mood. I'm also on my bed without the energy to get up. My door is open. I don't want to get up. This is my crash bathroom. It's cracked up on me. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I'm just sitting here making music videos. I'm just on Tumblr, and people ask me what my favorite character from Mean Girls was, who said this on those questions, and those questions, and I said the one that says I have a big lesbian crush on you because I didn't know the name because I haven't seen the movie in like forever. And an anon and a non. I said anon. Don't like make me feel weird. And anon came up to me and was like, "Her name is Janet." And I was like, "Okay, thank you." Again, I'm just seeing you before. I'm really bored. This is 10. This is a wibbly wobbly time. Nope. This is nope. This is 10. Yeah, this is 10. This is a wibbly wobbly timey wimey machine. And my wibbly wobbly timey wimey machine. I'm the doctor who comes to save the day from a planet and time far, far away. Don't know what I'm doing with my life. I'm just some guy who watches Disney movies and stares at kids, but and watches Sherlock and tries to be a kind person, but just ends up reminding people that Kurt and Blaine broke up. Sean's getting a wife. Sherlock comes off the building. The pond jumps off the building. And we get through this together, or not at all. So I'm basically just an asshole. I'm an asshole. I have no problem with that. I actually do have a problem with that. I'm working on fixing it. I just don't know what I'm doing. This is really bad lighting and a really bad webcam. And I don't know what I'm doing. And I have really bad acne, and I'm just some lazy. Don't look at me. Please don't look at me. I'm gonna text. Because that's what professional things do. I'm a 13-year-old with the emotional maturity of a nurse potato. I can eat all the food and no one needs to know. I have a friend who's very kind and understands life of a fanboy. That's a really good URL, life of a fanboy. I really like that. Huh. Not changing it though, it's going to be better and I might lose the underflow. Someone is going to use it. And I replied to that text with OMG. And now I text my boyfriend. And now I have nothing. Why am I so fat? And just fat. Turn this easier. I'm fine.